Good evening, friends. Today we will discuss Indus Valley Civilization. First of all, it is my YouTube channel Edu Space. You should like, subscribe, and share. 66th BPSC was conducted on 27th December 2020. The result is awaited. Those who are near the cutoff, they must prepare for mains, and those who are lagging behind by 15 to 20 marks, they should also focus on first mains, because after the prelims result is declared, only 2 months, hardly 2 months will be left for mains examination, and you will not have the proper time. So you should focus on mains, and then as the notification of 67th BPSC will be released, you should start preparation for prelims, exclusive preparation for prelims. So without wasting the time, let us start our topic, that is Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization. We will say IVC, Indus Valley Civilization. So let us start. History of India. India begins with this Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization. It is said to be flourished between around 2500 BC in South Asia, that is India, contemporary India and Pakistan. It was an ancient urban civilization, and it was the largest one. That was Egypt, Mesopotamia, India, and Pakistan. It was the largest one. Ancient urban civilization, it was the largest one. In 1920, Indian Archaeological Society started excavation, and in 1924, the Director General of Indian Meteorological Society, who was John Marshall, he officially announced about the existence of Indus Valley Civilization. So we will see some of the excavated sites of Indus Valley Civilization one by one. Till now we will saw, that is the question may come from Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization was a rural, semi-urban, urban, both 1 and 2, 1 and 3. Which of the option are correct? So basically it was an urban, ancient urban civilization it was. When IVC flourished, it was around 2500 BC. So this type of question may come. Next we will see some of the excavated sites one by one. The first one is Harappa. Next one is Mohenjo-daro. Next one is Lothal. Next one is Kalibanga. Next one is Dholavira. Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Kalibanga, Dholavira, Surkotada, Amri, Chunadaro, Sukta Center. So one by one we will see. That is Harappa. This civilization was excavated by Mr. Dayaram Sahni in 1921. Mohenjo-daro was excavated by R.D. Banerjee 1922. Lothal, R. Rao in 1953. Kalibangan, Ghosh in 1953 only. Dholavira was excavated by R.S. Bist in 1985. Surkotada, J.P. Joshi in 1964. Just a minute. Let us discuss one by one. It will be more beneficial. Let's start with Harappa. Harappa it was discovered by Mr. Dayaram Sahni in 1921. It is basically on the river of Ravi. The three findings are there. Many findings are there. Three important findings we will see. That is sandstone sculpture of human anatomy. Next one is bullock cart. And third one is granaries. So Harappa, it was excavated by Dayaram Sahni in 1921. It is the site is near Ravi in Montgomery district of Punjab, and the three findings are sandstone sculpture of human anatomy, bullock cart, and granaries. Next is Mohenjo-daro. Next site is Mohenjo-daro. This site is located near Indus River. It was excavated by R.D. Banerjee in 1922. Some of the important findings we will see: granaries, great bath, a statue of Pashupatinath Mahadev, dancing girl, steatite statue of beard man, and woven cotton. Granaries, great bath, statue of Pashupatinath Mahadev, dancing girl, steatite statue of beard man, and woven cotton. This dancing girl, it was basically a bronze statue. What we have seen, the question may come like Harappa civilization. It was excavated by Dayaram Sahni in 1921. When Mohenjo-daro and who? 1922, R.D. Banerjee. Great bath where we have found, that is Mohenjo-daro. Then bronze dancing girl, Mohenjo-daro. Steatite statue of beard man, Mohenjo-daro. Woven cotton, Mohenjo-daro. Statue of Pashupatinath Mahadev, Mohenjo-daro. Statue of human anatomy, human sandstone statue of human anatomy, that is Harappa. So these are the questions which may come in examination, or in mains it may come like what are the excavated sites, what are the, please mention the excavated sites of Harappan civilization, or write a short notes on excavated sites of Harappan civilization, or a map may be given, and in the map you have to locate these sites, these different Harappan excavated sites. So you have to prepare, you have to be prepared for all these type of questions. None of the questions must be left, none of the question be left, and I promise none of the question will be left. You will be able to answer all the questions. Not a single question will be out of this. Next is Sutka Zender. If we talk about Sutka Zender, then it was excavated by Stein in 1929. It is present in Balochistan. And one excavation, that is trade point between Harappa and Babylon. Sutka Zender, Stein, it was excavated by Stein in 1929. It is Balochistan, trade point between Harappa and Babylon. Next is Mohenjo-daro. Chanhudado. Chanhudado. It was excavated by N.G. Majumdar. Sindh. It was also an Indus river. And bead maker shop and footprint of dog chasing cat. Then is Amri. It was also excavated by N.G. Majumdar, and it is also near Indus River. And here there has been antelope evidence of antelope. So we saw Sukta, Zender, Chanhudado, Ambri. Now we will see Kalibangal, Lothal, these sites. Kalibangan. This site was discovered in 1953. This site was excavated in 1953 by Ghosh. And it is in Rajasthan near Ghagar river. We have seen fire altars. The main findings are fire altars, camel bones and wooden plow. Fire altars, camel bones and wooden plow. Next is Lothal. It was excavated in 1953 only, but by R. Rao. Lothal, R. Rao, in 1953 only. And it is in Gujarat on Bhoga river near Gulf of Camway. What are the important excavations of Lothal? That is first man-made port, then is dockyard, rice husk, fire altars and chess playing. Next is Surkot Tada. Next is Surkotada. This site was excavated by J.P. Joshi, and here we have found bones of horses and beads. Then is Banauli, R.S. Bist. It is in Hisar district of Haryana, and we have found here beads, barley and evidence of both pre-Harappan and Harappan civilization. Then the last one we will see, the excavated site is Dholavira. If you talk about Dholavira, then the main findings are water reservoirs, and it has also been excavated by R.S. Bist. So these were some of the excavated sites of Harappan civilization. So there is no option, one has to remember only, and the questions come from this topic. It is very important, the excavated site of Harappan civilization. Now if we talk about Indus Valley civilization, then it may be divided into three parts: early, mature and late. Early, mature and late. Early, mature and late Harappan civilization. If we talk about early Indus Valley civilization, then it starts from 3300 BC to 2600 BC. Mature, that is 2600 to 1900, and late 1900 to 1300 BC. This early Indus civilization, it is also known as Harka phase because it is found on Harka Ghaghar river. Mature Indus Valley civilization and then late Indus Valley civilization. Now we will see the features of Indus Valley civilization, IVC. It is very important for mains as well as the features are important for prelims as well. So we will see it in detail. In the next continuing video, we will see the features of Indus Valley civilization.